This is by far the worst campsite. No refund given. The toilets are extremely dirty. This Carvery out. Would not recommend or stay again, unfortunately. So I've just woke up and we've still got nowhere to stay. And yes, I do sleep in my hat. Not just put it on because I don't know what my hair looks like. I've literally not even looked at my face. But anyway, listen to this. So it's called the Halfmoon Inn, and it's in Reedness. It's basically halfway sort of between Hull and Doncaster. Listen to this. 1-star review. Absolute rip-off at £28 for 2 with electric hookup. The toilets are in an old trailer type used on construction sites. Shower is £1 for 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes. It seems to be a regular meet-up place for South York types who all bring dogs, bark, bark, bark all night to avoid at all costs. 1 star, £32 a night, middle of November, with electric hookup for a campervan and 2 adults. £1 for a 2-minute shower, which took 30 seconds to warm up. Absolute joke. No hot water in the sinks. 1 star. Of our entire trip to England and Scotland, this is by far the worst campsite we have spent a night in. The toilets are extremely dirty. I do not recommend at all. In the evening, the other campers make a lot of noise, and as we are glued to each other, it's painful. So there's only one thing to do. Let's get down there. Right, so we have just arrived at the Halfmoon Inn. Just been sorting out all the footage from Van Love Festival 2025, which was, I'll put a link onto the screen somewhere. If you've not checked that out, go back and check that out. That video was taken out of sequence just to show it more relevant for the time and what we're doing. So anyway, this video is back in sequence now. I'm going to be checking out the facilities at the Halfmoon Inn. We are going to be going for a Carvery. Apparently there's a quiz night on, so we might participate in a quiz night. And then tomorrow we're going to make our way back over to the northwest of the UK and we'll be doing a wild camp. So stay tuned, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we are going to go and get some food. Alright, let's go and check this Carvery out. I just hope that I can do it justice because I've had quite a lot to drink over the last couple of days, and yeah, I'm not a big eater once I've had, well I think I am, but then once I start eating, I can't eat, so we'll see.
Why does mine look bigger than yours?
It is a lot bigger.
So to get it.
Now that on camera is going to look like we were in there for 5 minutes, but that's because we were. Because that was so good. We inhaled it. It was like there on big mound on your plate, and then it was just gone. Yeah, everything on that plate was amazing. I don't even eat Carveries, but that was the one. I don't know if it's good. Yeah, the pork belly. Even got pork belly on it, like crispy pork belly. Yeah, everything on it. What was it? We got turkey.
We've got turkey and pork belly. And then everything else that came with it.
And then everything else, all the trimmings, but they even had other trimmings that you don't usually see, like they had mushy peas, didn't you?
Yeah. Did you put mushy peas on?
I put mushy peas on, yeah. I'm not going to say no to mushy peas. Yorkshire pudding.
Different types of gravy.
Gravy,
oh, God, the
yeah. Look, we just got back to the van now, just 1 second, look at all them. Give the van a knock before you...
Are they not drowning?
No, you need that rain back. Yeah, so as I was saying, all the trimmings, what do you get on it? Roast tatties, roast potatoes, mashed potato, which was divine, carrots, was it runner beans?
Runner beans, sweet corn, cabbage,
anything else?
no. We went for everything. And then 2 different types of gravy.
Yeah, and then 2 different types of gravy, normal and onion gravy.
And massive Yorkshire puddings.
Yeah, massive Yorkshire puddings. Yeah, it was all good. Highly recommend that. I'll give you a rundown of the prices when we've finished here, so keep watching till the end. But I don't know yet because we're staying here. They put it on the tab of us staying, and the landlady who sorts it out wasn't there, so I'm going to go back in, which was nice of them. Very trusting. I mean, it's not like I'm going anywhere, but yeah, they said I could come back in and pay later, so I'll let you know. We're going to chill out now for a couple of hours. The quiz starts at 8:30. Sorry, they give the sheets out at 8:30 and the quiz starts at 9, so we might have a venture on back to the pub later. Let's do a quiz. So, I've just had a little snooze, only for about an hour or so, but I've just woke up and the sun's out. Thought I'd take you to the end of here, because I think this is the river. Go and check this out. It's a lovely view, much better now the rain's stopped. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the currents on that river, currents, is there more than one current? Is it currents, plural? I don't know. Anyway, the flow's really quick. Yeah, it was lashing down again. I mean, it's lashed down yesterday and I think the day before, and then obviously it's just been lashing down again. So there's going to be a lot of water flowing from wherever it's been. I did actually come out for a shower, but not in there. I'm going to go and check the facilities. 3 urinals, 1 toilet. Everything is clean. Baby change. Bin disposal thing just there. Oh, pot wash. I believe these showers run off coins, so I don't know how that works. What happens if the money runs out while you're in them? You can run back out. It's lathered up. Let's see, go and check them out. Yeah, there's like, I think 1, 2, 3, maybe like 10, 20 pictures on here. There's only 1 toilet, although it was a very clean toilet. There's only 1 toilet in the gents, so you know that could be a bit of a problem if you've got like upwards of 20 or 30, potentially 40 people staying on here. But everything's really clean. That food was well nice before at Carvery. Toilets are one of these, she said. Which one would it have been? Shit. So the coins do actually get put in inside the shower room, so that's good. Not running outside in the towel. That's I'm going to swap because for some reason looks like someone's flooded, which is great. It's I don't know how many minutes I'm going to use. I've never timed myself in the shower before. £1 for 2 minutes. What do you think? I don't know. 4 minutes? 6 minutes? £3 equals 6 minutes. Do £3. It's pretty steep. Nice and fresh again now. They're all holiday lets, I think, which are pretty cool. Like little self-contained things, got like kettles in them and stuff. Beds. But they're all locked, so I can't show you. Can't show you around squeaky Crocs now because I've just been in the shower in my Crocs. Because nobody wants a Veruca. Pub quiz. What name should we put for our team? Team of 2. Quick, write it in the comments. What should we put? It'll have to be quick.
So you must have all been fucking cheating.
We lost miserably.
Right.
Yeah, we do.
You've all done extremely well, I will say that, extremely well. We have in first, the Gingate Mates with an astounding 42. First choice, Quality Streets. Quality to quality, there we go. And in a close second, we've got Mira & Co with 41. And just to complicate things even more, because you're all absolutely horrible, we've got 2 teams of 30, haven't we? So,
We lost.
now it's time for
We got 22. So, cost breakdown for the Halfmoon Inn. On a hard standing pitch, like them out there, it was £34 per night. That includes electric hookup. I believe, I'm not 100% on this, you'd have to check, but I think the grass pitches are 24 quid, so I think you pay 10 quid for electric, but I'm not 100% on that. So yeah, check it out first if you do come in. The showers were £1 per 2 minutes. The shower was a little bit of a faff. Sort of when you put the money in, the time starts ticking down as soon as you put the money in, and it was a bit hard to get the temperature right. But that's not like a criticism. I'm just telling you our experience as it was. I might have been in a dodgy shower, I don't know. We had the Carvery yesterday, which was absolutely banging. It was really nice. I don't even eat Carveries, but it was really good. That cost £12 per person. We stayed and did the quiz, which was fun.
Didn't come anywhere.
Yeah, we didn't win anything. So the total that I spent, including the Carveries and all the drinks, and we had a few drinks. I had like 2 or 3 Guinness. I had a pint of lemonade with my lunch. Sarah had a few vodkas at the night time. Also, she had a vodka with her lunch, Sunday lunch. So yeah, the bill for the food and everything come to 54, and the actual stay was 34. And then also I had a shower as well, so I spent another 3 quid in the shower. So,
And they gave you free food after the quiz, the leftovers from the Carvery, basically, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Which was nice.
So to conclude, yeah, I think the bad review. I mean, obviously, I don't want to take away from the people who have left them reviews, because that was their version of their reality. I don't know the context or anything. I can only judge on what my experience has been. And yeah, it definitely wasn't 2-star.
It's a good stop off. It's a good campsite. It's just there's nothing else around, so if you're passing through, it's a good.
Yeah. I mean, I definitely, if we were passing through, it's quite convenient because it's only 10 minutes off the motorway. So if you come into this side of the country, it's quite a convenient place to stay. There might be other stuff around it. I'm not too sure. I've not researched it, so that's up to you to go and research it. But
even the guy in the pub said there's nothing to do.
Yeah, we wouldn't think twice about coming back here. So that's our honest opinion. That's our honest view. So if you don't know, Sarah keeps a book, and inside that book, it's like our Bible. We keep everywhere that we've been to, and we put a smiley face if we'd go there to go and visit that place. We keep a straight face. That's a straight face. That's a smiley face. Keep a straight face if it's somewhere we'd go back to, if we were sort of passing through, and we keep a sad face if we just wouldn't go back there again. So, Sarah, that's a straight face. So Sarah's a straight face. For me, it'd be a straight face as well. just purely because, not because of the facilities or the people that are here, it's just purely because of the location. So yeah, that about concludes our stay at the Halfmoon Inn. So now the sun is out. As you can see, it's starting, well, the rain has finally subsided, something. We're going to head our way over now. We're going to go past Doncaster, through Sheffield, into the Peak District, and yeah, hopefully get out of the van and do some activities.